Assalamu alaikum everyone. And today's recipe is healthy bread. If you're interested, stay tuned. First start by adding
yeast and sugar
in
in a bowl, and then add warm water.
Then cover with a towel and leave for 5 minutes.
Let's prepare the baking pan. First, we want to brush the pan with the water, then place the parchment paper. Just follow the process that I'm doing. If you do not have the loaf pan, you can use any kind of pan. Which one do you like better, Muharram? Do you like the rectangle or the circle?
The circle.
The circle one's better to make the sandwich?
Yeah. No. I need to play. Ooh, it did rise up.
Yeah, that's what happens with the yeast and warm water. So the next step is we will be mixing all the ingredients in a big mixing bowl. This time I am not doing it in my stand mixer, since not everyone has the stand mixer. You can basically do this recipe by hand if you want, or with a wooden spoon like I am doing now. Do not add all the flour at the same time. Make sure you add a little bit, then mix and add slowly some more. If I was doing it in a stand mixer, I would just put all the ingredients together, even the flour, and just mix it. So I just don't want to make it difficult for you if you're doing it with wooden spoon. It's gonna be a little difficult. You can do it by hand if you want, if that's easier, but the dough is gonna be too sticky.
That bread looks so sticky.
I have been baking this bread for about 5-6 years now. I used to make the dough thicker. Over the times I learned that putting less flour makes it more softer after it's baked. So it's okay if it's too sticky, don't worry. With the wet spoon, even out the top of the bread and sprinkle some seeds of your choice. I am doing cilantro seeds and chia seeds. You can do just sesame seeds or black seeds or even sunflower seeds. It's up to you.
Can we put colorful sprinkles onto the bread?
This is not a cake. We put only healthy sprinkles on this bread. Next, cover the bread with a towel and leave in a room temperature for 1 hour until it rises. Look how nice it looks. Now it's time to put it in the oven. Bake at 420 degrees for 30-35 minutes. Let them cool down in the pan. Then you can take them out and serve.
I like this bread with peanut butter. It tastes so yummy. When you just baked it, it's so soft. I like it. I hope you like my mommy's video. Subscribe to her channel and like all of her videos. Many kisses. Mwah!
I hope you had fun watching this video. See you next time.